smells really good. Ooh, I bloody love daffodils. Wowza. Hi guys, so today's video I've got the March Fresh and Flowers unboxing. I swear this has come earlier this month, like how exciting. I thought it was usually like on the 11th, but we have it here now. It smells really good, even like through the box. So you've got your usual, you've got your little name there, which is super cute. Let's open it. Okay, so this one is green, a little green colour. And we'll open her up. Wow. Oh, look at that. So cute. Ooh. Let's dig in. So your little fresh posy, I say fresh, I think it's Sim Better Days. It's definitely Sim Better Days. Is our daffodils, which is perfect for spring. I bloody love daffodils. I mean, I think it's got a bit of bath bomb on them, but that's fine. I can pop them up. Last time with my last set of flowers, I found a little hack. I had a shot glass in the cupboard. So I put them in the shot glass and then put the shot glass in the vase and it just worked perfectly. So yeah, they'll be cute when they come out. They look like little miniature ones, I don't know. They're so cute though. Love it. Next up, we've got a fresh face mask. This is called Spring Awakening. That sounds fun. Let's have a little look. Oh, she on tight. Oh no, it's quite solid. I thought it was going to come out then. That looks fun. Smells quite like a clay face mask. That like clay smell. Not much else to it. Tiny bit florally or grassy, I'd say. But that looks like it'll be nice. Oh, I don't know. It's like a bit bouncy. Oh, maybe not. I don't know, I'm just being weirdo. Looks quite creamy though. Very excited to try that one. It says, inspired by the first day of spring with brightening lentils, nourishing wheatgrass and deeply cleansing garlic. Wowza. Sorry if I look a bit like the Joker. I put some red lipstick on and then stupidly realised I was hungry. So I quickly scrambled some cheese on toast with the lipstick on. And then I only got a bit here. So then I went and put some foundation on like that. Put the lipstick back on. And it looks like I've just been smooching or something. We'll ignore that, shall we? Moving on. Next up, we've got a fresh cleansing roll, so a facial cleanser. That smells good. So this says, take a pinch from, did I show you? It looks like that. It's a bit of a suspicious brown colour. No, I'm joking. It's more of like a khaki, actually. Take a pinch from this herbal cleanser and add a little water to make a paste. Apply to the face and wash off in circular motions with soothing birch water, surprisingly soothing and toning nettle and milky ground almonds. The last one of these that we got, I put in like a spare tub that I had and used it probably twice. I just do find it a little bit on the harsher side. I like the smoother cleansers a little bit more. I might just keep this in here and see if anybody else wants it, or I might just pop it up on Vinted. So yeah. Next up, we've got, I don't know what this is. Oh shit. There's a hair treatment. Okay. What is part of this then? I'm super confused. So these two go together and make a hair treatment, which is actually pretty annoying because I literally just washed my hair like before this video because it was hella greasy. Okay, so you add your jelly leaf to a cup, fill halfway with boiling water and stir for 30 seconds to help melt. Add your herbs and steep for around 3 minutes and then remove. Cut the aloe vera lengthways, scrape out the gel and mix with the rest. Apply to the ends of washed hair and let it soak in for 5 minutes and then rinse off. That sounds fun, doesn't it? Intriguing. I'm a bit annoyed that I've washed my hair because I don't get a chance to wash my hair that often these days, so it's probably like every week, maybe a bit more, you know, which I mean isn't bad for the hair, but I generally just scrape it on top of my head these days. I mean, it smells super herby. It's got thyme, obviously the aloe, it's got wheatgrass, lemongrass, tea tree oil, fresh wheatgrass. It's got loads of stuff in there, which is probably really good for the hair. It's got rosemary as well. Rosemary is really good for helping your hair grow. Interesting. Maybe trying that out not as soon as I would like to usually. Usually I like try the products out quite soon after I've posted this video, but that'll probably be like next week or something. Next up, we've got a bubble bar. Oh, I thought this was a bath bomb. It's a bubble bar. Even better. We love a bubble bar. This is the Daisy Bubble Bar. Inchy Precious. Crumble and swish in your bathwater to create bubbles with a sheer butter middle to nourish your skin. Beautiful. Smells florally, really florally. Did I tell you the facial cleanser is called Roll in the Nettles, by the way? It really smells good, that though. So last up, we've got the Dances with Daffodils iPads, your regular little iPads that you get every month. These are so cute. Like, I hate putting them fully over my eyes. So with these ones, I tend to cut them in half. So then I get like 2 goes out of them as well, which is nice. Let's have a look at these. I love them. They're cool. Wow, I say I love them. They're a novelty, aren't they? But I mean, it is relaxing to have them on with your face mask that you have. So I've got a baby and I'm trying to open these. It's so difficult. That's what they look like. Aren't they so cute? I love those. That's lovely then. Oh, really adorable. And that is the March box. So nice, all in all. Not my favourite box in the world. Definitely preferred last month's. This, generally in the boxes I get most excited for the face mask, so I'm very excited to try that one out. Least excited for the facial cleanser or the hair treatment. I don't know how well that will work as a hair treatment. I mean, I shouldn't write it off. It might be fantastic, you never know, but we're gonna have to wait a week or so to find out, to get this proper greasy and ready to go. God, my roots coming. Oh, look at my roots, not good. Yeah, so that's the March box. If you guys got it, what did you think? It's a nice box, don't get me wrong, but yeah, definitely prefer the last month's one. But keep an eye out and I'll try a few of those bits out tonight. I'll try the bubble bar out tonight, the face mask and the iPads. And then the hair treatment will be probably next week. And the facial cleansing roll, I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I'm not too sure. Because I have enough of them and I don't want to like waste them by keeping them and then not actually using them. Do you know what I mean? Whereas somebody else could make use of it and enjoy it a little bit more than me. But yeah, I hope you guys like that video. I keep meaning to film I've bought some why am I doing this? I've bought some shelves for my bedroom. Bear with, parched. I bought like a shelving unit for my bedroom. Haven't we? Yes, we have. That I'm gonna erect and make it like not completely Lush related, but probably. So I've got like some racks of like products that I could put on there. I've got like some gift boxes that I want to put on there. I want to make it like a pretty little thing. Do you know what I mean? And then I've also, my desk is a bit of a mess, so I'm going to include that in there. We're going to like arrange the desk. We're going to, oh, here you go, lovey. There you go, my love. Okay. We're going to arrange the desk, put the shelving up. Little like organisational video, I suppose. But I keep meaning to do that, but oh, lover. Lover, what have you done that for, lover? I keep meaning to do that. Oh, she's getting a big boy now. But I keep not having time. Funny that, isn't it? Wonder why I don't have any time. Is it you? Is it you? But yeah, I'll try and get that done, hopefully this week. But it should be around next week for you. Now that I've said it, I have to do it, don't I? But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.